Hey, give me a few minutes to show you what many Amazon FBA YouTubers say, but what's not said is what you should focus on when contemplating whether to move forward with an Amazon business. Hey, this is Rochelle and welcome to Multiple Passive Streams of Income. Now, I'm quite sure most Amazon FBA YouTubers are truthful about the revenue they generate on Amazon. But telling you their revenue numbers doesn't tell the whole story. Let's say I know each one of you personally, and I told you that I saw our friend the other day, and that was the truth. But what I didn't say was that I saw the person at a strip club. Oh yeah, now I got your attention. Woo! But seriously, to get to the strip club part of the truth, the first numbers we need to consider is the margin. The margin equals the selling price minus the cost of the product to make it, the shipping costs, the FBA fees. And if that were the end of it, Amazon would be awesome as, but that's only the tip of the iceberg. From the margin, we need to subtract PPC costs, storage fees, credit card interest payments if we're utilizing credit cards that charge interest, refunds, coupon and promotion costs, maybe some removal costs when applicable, additional shipping costs if you're shipping inventory to your home or to a warehouse to ship to Amazon when you're running out of stock, right? You might be using some FBA warehouses as well to do this. And inevitably, taxes on any profits made. So I'm quite sure I've missed some smaller fees, but this list comprises the largest margin reducers. So with this knowledge, let's look at the strip club truth of it all. So let's say a YouTuber says they are a 7-figure Amazon seller.
Welcome to today's video. My name is Trent Peterson. I'm a full-time 7-figure Amazon seller.
So what that means is that they're selling between $1 million and $9,999,999 worth of products. Now, let's say the margins for the products are 33%. So the most profit with this example would be between $333,000 to $3,330,333. But it's never going to be the most profit because we know about the strip club truth. We can make an educated guess that if a seller is selling 7 figures, that seller is paying a good amount for PPC. So let's say they're paying about 1/3 of their margin to rank their products. So let's say the lowest 7-figure seller, whose estimated profit may be $333,333, but they got to use 1/3 of that for PPC. So that's going to reduce the profit to $222,222. But with all the other strip club fees we know about, that $222,222 can easily be reduced even lower. Now, how much lower will be determined by all those margin reducer expenses that I named earlier. Now, here's a problem that many Amazon sellers don't discuss, but every time we go out of stock, we have to re-rank our products. So that means less sales when you first get back into stock. That translates into increased PPC to re-rank. Now, the good part is that you will have helpful data from your previous PPC optimization campaigns. So you are not starting from the complete beginning, but it takes time to re-rank because your daily sales have to materialize and then prove to Amazon's algorithm that you're selling the amount required to be on page 1 and high on page 1 for the many search terms you once ranked for. So let's say the low 7-figure seller ends up profiting $175,000 when it's all said and done. That's still an awesome income. So if you haven't started or are struggling on that first product, please check out my over-the-shoulder Amazon product research blueprint. If you're serious about starting an Amazon private label business and you don't have a research tool yet, please check out the discount link for Helium 10 in the description below. Helium 10 is now offering a $37 starter membership, which makes it a lot more affordable to get started. If you need Amazon continuing education, a product discovery session with an experienced coach, or you just need all-out coaching, check out the link for AOE in the description below. So I hope you loved hanging with me today at the strip club. We just stripped that 7-figure Amazon seller down to the socks. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Please click the notification bell after you subscribe so you're notified when I drop these gems. As always, thanks for your time, as I know you could be any other place right now. Take care.